Hello children, welcome back again for our next session of computer. So before we begin today, again let me make a few things very clear children. 7th standard children, this throughout the year you will be learning MS Access, and 8th standard children, in the first sem you will be learning Access, and in the next semester we will be starting with the AI, that is artificial intelligence. So hope now it is very clear. So 7th standard, again this throughout the year you will be learning with MS Access. Okay, and 8th standard children, in the next semester we will begin with the artificial intelligence, that is AI. So let us begin with today's session children. In the last session we have started with our next chapter, that is introduction to DBMS, that is database management system. So in the last session we have seen what is data, what is database, what is database management system, right? And we have also seen what are the advantages of DBMS, right, which is very important children nowadays, right? In office work or any organization, it is very important wherever the huge data comes regarding the storage or regarding the editing the data or adding the data. So everything, wherever the data comes children, it is very important to understand the database management system, how to manage your data, right? So a few examples also we have seen, like railway reservation, flight reservation, you can say. So many things are there, right, where huge data has to be stored and managed every day. So these all things we have covered in our last session. So let us begin with our today's session, right? And we are in the chapter introduction to DBMS, that is database management system. So today children, let us start with types of database. There are two types of database. First is flat file database and second is relational database. So one by one let us try to understand what are these types and how it differs from each other. So the first one is flat file database. So flat file database is a simple database system which stores all the data in a single table. So this is very important. A flat file database is a simple database children where all the data is stored in a single table. Data files are small and contain fixed number of fields without any relationships. Now fields, what is relationship, this all thoroughly we are going to see, okay? And for example, for flat file database is MS Excel. I hope everybody knows MS Excel and how we store the data in it, right children? So this is an example I'll show you, a very small example. So you can see a few data I have entered over here, that is first field. Now these are the fields children: first name, last name, company, address, city, state, zip. This all are fields. So there are we can say n number of fields, right? Less number of fields you can say when it comes to the flat file database, okay? And but very opposite to the relational database, huge data can be stored children. And if here, when you open this Excel sheet, you can see here at the bottom here, I'll show you 1 minute. Here is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like this. You can if you have a few more data, you can keep on adding the sheets, right? So but when you store the data in sheet 1 and when you store in sheet 2, there is no relation between the sheet 1 and sheet 2 children, right? This is completely different tables in sheet 1 and sheet 2. So this is the example of a flat file database. So it is, the data is stored in a single table and fields are uh, we'll again see here. Yeah, so data files are small comparatively to the relational database, and there are fixed number of fields, right? So in when there is a huge data, obviously we should go for a relational database. So let us see the next one. Yeah, the next one is relational database. Relational database stores data in several tables. This is a very big difference between the flat file and a relational database. It stores data in a several tables, children. These tables are related to one another. Like we have seen the example of Excel, sheet 1, sheet 2, they have no relationship, like completely different data, right? There is nothing to do with sheet 1 and sheet 2, but here the tables are related to one another. When you start actually using, when I will show you, that time you will understand the meaning of relationship, okay, between the tables. So data in tables can be joined and information can be accessed from them at once. So this practically, when we will start, you will understand, children, how to create the relationship, what happens, how we can retrieve the data from multiple tables when they are in relationship. So this all we will see, okay. Next one, now relational database, again few more things. Entering repetitive information in tables is not required, which saves our time. Like suppose I'll take an example of our school data. So once the SID number of a child or a name of the child is entered in any of one table, so again and again no need to enter in different tables, like fee structure table is there, or a bus chart table is there, like which child goes with bus, which number bus, or many things are there, right? So again and again in each and every table no need to enter the SID number or name or anything, like which is a common data, right? So entering repetitive information in tables is not required. Once it is done, that's it. In again and again in multiple tables, no need to do that. Examples of relational database, children, is Oracle, Base and MS Access, which you are going to learn this year, right? I hope it is clear, flat file and relational database. To understand and it in a bit much better way, few example I have taken to make you understand, children. Let us see that. So when we talk about the data storage, let me tell you what is the difference between the flat file and database. So in the flat file, when we talk about file size limitations lead to store relevant data in many files. There is a size of the files are small comparatively, so of flat files. So we have to store the data in multiple files, children, right? So the problem with this is, since the data is spread across the multiple files, it will take time to look into all these files to get a required data. Now you can see one example here. So vegetables are distributed in different packages, right? So if I suppose want a particular vegetable, it becomes very difficult for me to keep on searching in all these bags around here, right, children? So all the files I have to keep on looking for some data required, which is required to me. So this becomes very difficult when we talk about the flat files. But whereas we talk about the database, the whole data is in a single place. It is stored in a one single place. So data retrieval is data we can retrieve very easily, whichever is required. So the advantage is easy to look into a single one place to get all the required data. So this is a very big advantage of database. Okay, so relational database. One more difference we will see regarding the data retrieval. So again I told earlier also, so when we are keeping all the vegetables in a together, it becomes very difficult to find a particular vegetable, right? But in the database, here you can see in a picture properly all the vegetables separately it is arranged. So when I look in a one glance, I can find out whatever I want. So this is the difference between the flat file and database. So now you can imagine, children, this vegetable as a data. So if you keep everything, all the data in one place, it becomes very difficult if you want to retrieve any particular thing. As well as in the database, it is properly managed your data, so it is very easy to retrieve the data. So this is the difference. Next one is data security. In flat files, text files having confidential information stored in a desktop can be viewed by anyone who has access to that system. Hence, data security is little bit low in flat files. Whereas when we talk about the database, data stored in the database are highly secure, children, as a user should have login credentials to view their permitted data. So if you have that login credentials, whether it is a password or whatever is there, so if you have that, then only you can view the data, else you cannot. So security wise, database is good. So these are few differences. Now I think looking at these examples, a little bit it is clear what is flat file and what is a database management system, that is relational database, right? So thoroughly we are going to learn this year how to use it, different terms. In the next session we will learn about the components of relational database or database management system. So these all things we will see, children. So for today we will stop over here. Okay, in the next session we will start with the components of RDBMS. So that's it. Thank you, children.